I would vote no here. Oh, who put 46K on yes? You're throwing. Man, you are actually throwing. Like, I have to get lucky and like, oh my God, you guys are stupid. This is like guaranteed gonna be no. I said my best ever is 30 seconds. All right, is scrambled enough? Bro, it's actually cooked. Wait, no, I need to get my... All right. Dude, there's no way I'm getting this in I'm inspecting the cube. All right, red's got to go there. Green. It's so cooked. It's actually so cooked. It's 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 actually so over. You guys don't understand. It's gonna be 48 seconds or something. Like, there's just no way. I'm not good enough. Let me make sure the timer works. All right. All right. Did it! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! There's ice in my veins. There's literal ice. There was literal ice. Oh my God, I'm so good. God, I can't believe it. I actually can't believe it. Oh my God. Oh my... I'm never doing this on stream again. I'm never doing this on stream again. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was crazy. All right. I am aura farming. I actually really need to go though. God dang it. Put shorts ideas and shorts ideas. I'm really I need them. Shart. This is actually a good tweet. Yo, Harvard girls, my DMs are open for Twitter and Instagram.